Today we're going to talk about the Fitbit Versa 2. This is the special edition. The Versa 2 actually comes in 3 different variations. So you got your standard, you have your light, you have your special edition. So the main differentiator on the special edition is the fact that it does have the Fitbit Pay, and it does come with the additional premium woven band and your classic band. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Alright. There it is there. So this particular model is the rose gold. Look at that band. Just put that aside. Comes with the quick start. Tells you how to download the app, and that's all the contents of the package. So you get your small and your large band, and you got your charge cable. All right, take a look at that. So comes with your long strap. It also comes with the long strap with the classic band, and then your short. That's it there. Awesome. Put that aside. All right. I'm assuming this is your charge cord here. Open that up. This charge cord is fairly long, it looks like. Unravel that. Alright. It's not that long. I want to say it's about 3 feet at the most. Fitbit clamps in here. Take the strap off. Alright, so we match the 4 pins to the 4 pins below. We're just gonna pinch, and it clips on nice and easy. It's got a USB. Now it does not come with the wall plug, so you'll need to buy that separate. And there it is there. What else does it come with here? It does come with a small manual, your product information guide, warranty information. There we have it. So I don't recommend using this band when you're out and out to the gym, working out, sweating, because this will definitely retain all that moisture and it will definitely be hard to maintain. All right. Fitbit Versa is slightly smaller than the Apple Watch, as you can see there. I do have the Apple Watch 44mm in comparison to the Versa, in case you were wondering, side by side to the Apple Watch. The woven band is nice, but if you're definitely going to the gym and you're working out, I would definitely use the standard rubber band here. Easy to maintain. I'm sure you just rinse it with water and you're good to go. That's your Fitbit Special Edition, rose gold. There we go. Versa 2.